Engabe nginenkinga ekhona yini ngesilo samaZulu uMsuzulu kaZwelithini nakho kuputshuka amanye amavidiyo isilo sithuka ngisho inhlamba futhi
Politics, justice, umnotho, emphakathini. The stories that matter, wrapped up for you every week. This is the Gagasi FM News Wrap, hosted by Spumelele Zondi.
Angibingelele ngusiphumelele Zondi unondaba ofika nezindaba every single week right here kwiGagasi FM Newsroom. Ungathi sesiyabakhalela laphaya ekuruleni laba abake bavela kwiMadlanga Commission zokukhumbula ukuthi uJulius Mkhwanazi kube uEmerging Mashazi uLinda Gasheka kanye noAdvocate Behari bake baboshwa einsukwini ezingengaki edlule sebephumileke kodwa ngebail mawuyikhumbule kaMashazi kwake kungathi unokudelela ngenkathi elaphaya kwiMadlanga Commission ngenxa yokuthi wayezakhuzwe ukuthi sithi sikhuluma nawe wena ubusy kwifone yakho awuzibukela.
I do not recall the number.
That bad, doctor?
Thank you.
I'm asking, it's a question, is it that bad that you can't recall whether it's 2 or 10 or 20?
Remember, ma'am, I'm running 26 departments, and each and every department we have, in police only, we have more than 3,005 officials. How do I remember all these things? I don't remember. I don't recall.
Bese kuyinto ehlukileke ngenkathi evela lapha enkantolo ubona ukuthi akasahleki akasekho kwifone ungathi sekukubi ngempela uzokhumbula ukuthi banjelwe izinto ezihlukahlukene ezihlobene nendlela kwaphathwa ngayo izinto zamaphoyisa ngenkathi ama blue lights amaphoyisa esetshenziselwa umsebenzi engewona owamaphoyisa obekukhona ukukhwabanisa kweimali obekukhona lapha yana imali ezinkulu ongazothi bayayithola kuze kubuzwe nokuthi engabe i-lifestyle audit yabantu abasebenzela bona omasipala yena uhulumeni wona amaphoyisa, is this something that still happens? Ungathi there's been no lifestyle audits in the last 5 years. Abanye ke bebezibuza ukuthi engabe le Madlanga Commission ukhona yini umthelelo omuhle ezoba nawo kodwa nakho ke siyaqala siyabona ukuthi abantu bayaboshwa bayavela enkantolo singazi ke kodwa ukuthi bayoboshwa bavela enkantolo kugcinephi singatholi sebeboshwa sebevela enkantolo kodwa ke kungenzeki lutho ekugcineni iyaqhubeka yona iMadlanga Commission ungathi kune extension ekhona ukuthi final report kuthiwa it will be issued out ngoNovember. Lento iEFF ikhiphe istatement sokuthi ayikuthandisisi ukuthi kune extension yayo iMadlanga Commission ithi akuhlehle ngoba kuchaza ukuthi what this extension could be about ukuthi kuze kuphume i-report ngawo uNovember.
How did I become a king? Ngoba ngumthakathi. Ucabanga ukuthi wonke lamadoda angaka eSouth Africa onke afuna uba yizilo. Ungalwa nami wena. Hey, wekho.
Uzokhumbula ukuthi aqale ukuthi isilo kuke kuvele amavideo athi awabe kanje abanye baze babuza ukuthi engabe isilo siyakuthanda yini ukuthi siphuze amponjwana singasho ukuthi kubi ngaleyo ndlela ukuphuza amponjwana kodwa engabe okudunga igazi kuyasehlula yini na isilo ngoba phela aqali ukuthi sibonakale ongazuthi asisodwa uma ngabe senza zonke lezi izinto sike sabona nakuma podiums ahlukahlukene kube ngazuthi ayikhona okungahambi kahle impela kodwa ke okunye kubuye kube nomthelela ukuthi uzokhumbula ukuthi owayengundunankulu waKwaZulu ubaba uMangosuthu Buthelezi osashiyayo emhlabeni naye wake wakhuluma ngokuthi kwangasazwanwa kahle naso isilo yize ayeyundunankulu wakhe uZulu uButhelezi.
Sizokhuluma naso shayitafula siphume sibless sisho kimi sithi
Agcinanga ngomntwana wakaPhindangene uMangosuthu Buthelezi, naye undunankulu wamanje uke wayithola eseqoshiwe naye eqoshwa isona isilo undunankulu uThulasizwe Buthelezi, naye uke wahamba waphinde wabuyiswa futhi kusona lesikhundla. Akugcini khona lapho ukuthi kuxoshwe yena, kuke kwaxoshwa nabanye futhi. Isilo sithumele ithimba ebandleni lamaNazaretha ukuba liyocela ushwele ngemuva kwevidiyo enenhlamba eye yasabalala. Isizwe is still discussing the video and shocked, kodwa uSilo noNdlunkulu uMamyeni sebebonakala behamba indawo ezifana neVictoria Falls eZimbabwe. Engabe lokuxoshwa kwabantu abahlukahlukene nokuthola ukuthi akasaboni ngasolinye yena indlulamithi kaZulu uMisuzulu kaZwelithini ukuthi engabe akuhlangene yini nayo indlela yokuziphatha ukuthi engabe yena uZulu uzobukela kubani uma kulokhu kuputshuka amavidiyo, uma abantu who should be advisors to isilo nabo ukuthola ukuthi sebeqoshiwe kwasabona baphinde babuyiselwe, nokuthi ke kusho ukuthini lokho about the leadership style yaso isilo uma kuputshuka amavidiyo akanje akhombisa ukuthi ungathi kubuye kungabe khona ukuziphatha uma ehleli nalaba abasondelene naye. Wena Zulu uzobheka kubani na? Over 400 people are homeless in Mjondolo yaseJikajo in Pietermaritzburg after umlilo destroyed their shacks. Bese-ke sibuyela okhethweni. I-Independent Electoral Commission of South Africa isike yaveza izinto ezihlukene about le zinsolo zokuthi kungenzeka ukuthi maybe elections can be rigged by technology. Uzokhumbula ukuthi kwi-result center eThekwini kwabe khona ukucima okwake kwenzeka in the last national and provincial election lawa enzeka ngonyaka ka-2024, but the Independent Electoral Commission of South Africa ithi ningathuki kakhulu. Usebeke bakusho lokhu ngaphambilini ukuthi lokho nje kwakuwucisha komshini wakhona e-result center, kanti akusho ukuthi ama-results asuke engabaliwe ngoba abalelwa ngaphakathi with observers inside those voting stations, and bayasho ukuthi nawo ama-political parties imbala asuke enama-representatives inside those voting stations. Bathi uma kucima e-result center kusuke sekubaliwe vele ayikho inkinga esuke ikhona. Kuzona-ke kodwa lezi ze-technology baphinde-ke ba-raise other concerns nabo beyi-Independent Electoral Commission of South Africa ukuthi siphila kwesikhathi se-artificial intelligence njengamanje, ubuchwepheshe besimanje manje, bathi their worry ukuthi artificial intelligence could be used ukuthi abantu badukiswe ngezinto ezithize. Umuntu athi ubuka ividiyo ekuyiyona mhlambe information angacabanga ukuthi iqhamuka kuyona i-IEC kanti ayiqhamuki kubona, or maybe umuntu ecabanga ukuthi ubona i-leader ye-political party ethize yenza okuthize noma isho okuthize kanti kusetshenziswe yona i-artificial intelligence ukuthi kukhohliswe abantu ukuze bayovota ngendlela ethize, ukuze benze izinto ngendlela ethize, mhlambe futhi-ke kuze kubhebhetheke izinto engamele ngabe ziyabhebhetheka ngenxa yokuthi kusetshenziswe lokhu ekuthiwa ama-deepfakes. I-deepfake ukuthi ubone ongazuthi umuntu usho into ethize noma wenza into ethize kube kungeyena, isithombe esikhiqiziwe ukuthi sifane naye umuntu. Lama deepfakes akukhona eSouth Africa la kukhalwa ngawo okhona kuphela. Sike sezwa ukuthi e-England bayakhala ukuthi in the last local government elections that they had about 16.5 million people uma benza ucwaningo bayavuma ukuthi they were exposed to ama deepfakes. Okusho ukuthi bona bakwazi ukubona ukuthi ama deepfake la usabona artificial intelligence. Wena-ke engabe uyakwazi yini ukubona lokho eSouth Africa? Mhlambe kumele siyifundise ukuthi mawubona ama glitches amancane usibhekisise isandla isona ongathi sivamise ukubahlula kakhulu, singafani nesandla sangempela. Uma ngabe kuwukuthi isandla asikho ubona ubuso ubhekisise ukuthi engabe ivoice iyahambelana yini nalento umlomo womuntu ayishoyo. Kodwa-ke siyazi ukuthi in the last elections as well kwakhalwa nangokuthi khona bakhiqiza amavidiyo uzwe ivoice imemeza ukuthi hey kwenzeka ukuthi kube kungekona, kukhiqizwa ividiyo yahlanganiswa nevoice voice nanike enigangayo ukuze nisikhohlise ukuze maybe sibehave in a particular way angenikiyeke lokho because singabantu siyathanda ukwenza ama-decisions ngendlela right without being confused by people who use technology to try and confuse us. Sibeke lapha-ke iGagasi FM News Wrap. Mina ngiwuSiphumelele Zondi, nalo ithimba layo iGagasi FM News Wrap. Wazi ukuthi sizosikhuluma uma sesihlangana sesibonana bukhoma.
Catch a brand new episode. You can watch the podcast noma ungalalela i-podcast kwi-app yethu noma inini noma kuphi. Gagasi FM News puts KZN first.